Unleashing the power of these in English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we're diving deep into the world of demonstrative determiners, specifically focusing on the usage of these with plural nouns. This little word can make a big difference in your English communication, so let's get started. Before we dive into specific examples, let's clarify what we mean when we say these is a demonstrative determiner. In English, these is used to refer to specific people or things close to us in space or time, or things currently under discussion, but only when these people or things are plural. It tells us about the number and distance. For instance, if you're at a store and you're holding several apples, you could say, "These apples are delicious." The word these is used because the apples are close to you, physically, and they are more than one, plural. Now, let's move on to the main topic of this video, using these with plural nouns. Remember, these always pairs up with plural nouns. It can never be used with singular nouns. For example, if you are holding a book in your hand, you would not say, "This book is interesting." Instead, you'd say, "This book is interesting." However, if you are holding two books, you could say, "These books are interesting." Let's consider a few more examples. These shoes are too tight. Correct. These shoe is too tight. Incorrect. These cookies are delicious. Correct. These cookie is delicious. Incorrect. As you can see, it's essential to ensure that the noun following these is plural to ensure grammatical correctness. In this section, we're going to test your understanding of the use of these with some exercises. I will provide a sentence, and you need to decide if the usage of these is correct or incorrect. 1. These dog is barking. Incorrect, correct. 2. These flowers are beautiful. Incorrect, correct. 3. These chair is broken. Incorrect, correct. 4. These eggs are fresh. Incorrect, correct. Take a moment to answer these questions, and then check your answers below. 1. Incorrect. It should be, "This dog is barking." 2. Correct. 3. Incorrect. It should be, "This chair is broken." 4. Correct. And that's a wrap. Understanding and correctly using these with plural nouns can significantly improve your English fluency and comprehension. Remember to always pair these with plural nouns. Practice as much as possible, and soon enough, it will become second nature to you. Thank you for joining us, and keep practicing your English. Until next time, happy learning!